Hey, my beauty enthusiasts, how are you today? My name is Denise Marcel, and I'm the owner of Denise Marcel Beauty, and I want to talk about underneath lashes. I did a video talking about how to apply underneath lashes, but I didn't even share with you what underneath lashes are because sometimes people think they go underneath your lash, which is not the case. It's almost like a strip lash, but it goes underneath the lid of your lash line, not like a strip lash that goes on top, which we are used to seeing. It goes underneath. So that is what underneath lashes are. However, the ones I have are made differently. They're made in as pieces. I want to say pieces and not clusters because clusters are a group of lashes band together to kind of fan out. These are more like um, these are more like lashes that are on a strip but cut up into smaller strips, and the band is small. So this is, I don't know if you can see. Okay, so this is an underneath lash. And if you look, you can see that the band is small and it goes right underneath your eyelid. So that is what underneath lashes are. Now I'm going to show you how to apply them. So now I'm going excuse me. Now I'm going to do the cat eye with the underneath lashes. This is the first time, excuse me. This is the first time I'm trying it with these. I usually do like a soft classic, but I wanted to show you something new. So here it is. Okay, I first applied the adhesive and I put it on. It's almost like adding mascara to your eyelashes underneath. And then I just put the lash on top and it lays right there. Give it a few seconds to dry, but it'll lay right on there nice and tight. And then you just kind of push it into place until you get the look you want. Okay, so I started with on the outer corner with the 16s, and I went on in with the 14, which I probably should have did maybe a 12 here because it almost looks like the same length. But this is the cat eye with the underneath lash if you're going to be going out and want to do something ultra glamorous. Again, you want to apply the adhesive as if you were applying mascara. Okay, I'm all done. I think I like this. I wouldn't wear it every day, but it's kind of cool, right? It's the cat eye with the underneath lashes. I could have blended it a little better in here. I'll do it. I'll do another one, but this will give you an idea of what the underneath lashes do. And this is Ultra Glam. So remember, underneath lashes are not for underneath your eye, but underneath the eyelid. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to check out our website, DeniseMarcelBeauty.com.